Now, if you learn this, able to make the apps, you are able to make the website, but just only thing is that you should learn the basic concepts, right? Next is what is actually a coding. Now here these are the example. Now let's take an example like car, computers, website, different games, cell phones, then tablets. These all are the example where we are using the technology, or simply we are using the coding, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now how to teach the coding? This is the first very important point, right? This can be taught by different ways. You can taught it by pen and paper, you can taught it by technology, and simply you can taught it by the physically means orally. Just now I'm just telling you some concepts orally, correct?
Yes.
These are the different methods, and every child adopted or comfortable with the different methods, correct? Now we
Yes.
will decide which method will be helpful for you after means our presentation. But this can be combined of science, maths, history, and everything. Okay. Now why you have to go for the coding? Now here I am having some reason, but tell me why you are interested in for the coding. Yes,
So
what
I
do you
can
think?
learn like making websites, learning to make new things out of technology.
Okay, right. Now the important thing is when you are considering the coding, it is nothing but a point of innovation, right? It is
Yes.
nothing but point of
Yeah.
innovation. Okay. Then coding allows to be creative. Creative means if a single problem is there, for a single problem you are having number of options, number of solutions, right? Now you may observe this in your class also. Let's say any situation is given in your school in a science lecture, right? Or let take an example of maths. You can take any example, right? And you may observe that you gave some answer, your teacher is telling your answer is absolutely correct, your friend is giving different answer, then also your teacher is saying the answer is correct, right?
Multiple answers to the question.
Yes, there is a multiple answer. This is nothing but the creative approach. And one interesting thing I'm going to tell you, you may not believe that, but this is your correct age for learning the coding, because as the age increases, as the age is going on more and more, creativity decreases. Listen this carefully. Are you getting what I am saying?
Yes.
Okay, because whenever we are observing, actually I am teaching to the small kids also, first second grade. Okay, I am teaching to the middle school, 5th to 8th grade. I am teaching to the 10th grade student, or I am teaching to the college student. The important thing I am observing that as you are growing up and up and up, what you are doing, you are just sticking to the syllabus, you are just sticking to the single solution, right? Means creativity goes on decreasing. So we
Yes.
are saying that this is the age where you can have the multiple option. Coding helps you to build your confidence. Okay, and it is the best learn as early as possible, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Because
so these are nothing but the some of the important concept why we are saying why you have to go for the coding. Now what students are doing, okay, they solve the problem, they create the different projects, right? Means when we are taking the coding classes, what students are doing, they are creating different projects and they are having the fun in their learning. Okay, now if you observe this picture here, you are observing that, let's say one girl is here. Wait 1 minute. Huh. Okay. One girl is here,
Yeah.
correct?
Yes.
One boy is here and
Yeah.
one robot is here, right?
Yeah.
Girl is girl is studying the coding by her way.
Mm-hmm.
Boy is learning the coding by his way. Okay, now boy is interested in robotics, so he is going with the robotics. Girl is interested in this girl is interested in developing the application, so she is going for the application. Understanding means there is a different ways.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now here we come with the coding activities. Now I am going to talk with you actually about the coding, right? Now
Yeah.
when we consider coding, we are having different options to learn. Like Scratch is there, like Game Master Machine is there, then Alice is there, then Code Monkey is there, right? So you may confuse that what to choose, right? So here what we are going to teach you, going to start our teaching with this Scratch. Okay, Scratch is nothing but the animation software. By using this, you can create a animation. Okay, first we are going to show you something so that if it is very interesting to
Mm-hmm.
look at that, to make such a project. After learning the Scratch, I am going for the programming languages.